Hello viewers, this is Suhas Raj working as a sales manager at Audi Hyderabad. Let me introduce to the new S5, this is a car which has a perfect blend of sporty and versatility, and the designer of the car is Mr. Walter Maria de Silva, and this is one of the best car which Audi has ever made. When it comes to the design, exclusivity and the way the car looks, it definitely draws attention of the people on the road. When this car comes on road, it will be like a eye candy for everyone. And look at the design of the car. You will be really amazed by the design language of this car. When it comes to a design of an S5, it is a car which has a racing looks, and it is a proper everyday sports car which you can drive it in the city or else on a highway. And when it comes to the front end of the car, let me introduce to the design of this car. It has 4 creases on the bonnet which looks like a more muscular car, and this is called as a power damped design of Audi. And when it comes to the single frame grille, and this is a S specific grille. Being an S5, it gets an S specific grille with proudly sitting the Audi logo. And when it comes to the hexagonal design of this grille, it also has a hexagonal honeycomb design with matte finish aluminium inserts in the grille, and there is also a lower lip spoiler with aluminium finish. And this all character lines draws into this grille and creates a dominating presence of this car. When it comes to the headlamp design of the car, these are the S specific headlamps for the car, and it comes with a matrix LED technology which also advanced in terms of technology, and also enhances the visibility at night, and also it looks very eye catching. And when it comes to the air intake at the lower bumper, it comes with a pentagonal shape and matte aluminium inlays which also houses a parking sensor, and it also has a headlamp washing function. Now, when it comes to the side design of the car, oh my god, I can assure you, you will be falling in love with the side profile of this car. This car sits on a 19-inch profile tires, and it comes with a S specific alloy wheels which looks really amazing. And when it comes to the character line of this car, this is called as Audi Tornado line, and also the side mirrors of the car are covered in a matte aluminium finishing. And when it comes to the profile of the car seamlessly merges into the boot, and it looks really amazing. And when it comes to the doors of the car, it comes with a frameless doors which adds to the sporty appeal of the car. And look at the interior, guys, it is really amazing. When it comes to the design of the car, the rear part of the car, it has a fastback design. Audi calls it the sportback design. It looks really amazing, and also the way the sloping roofline intrudes into the boot area with this spoiler which adds to the sporty look of the car. And it comes with a segmented LED tail lamps which always draws attention, and it sets apart from the other Audi models. And this is having a very uniquely designed spoiler which adds to the sporty appeal and also helps in the aerodynamic ability of the car. When it comes to the lower part of the bumper, it comes with quad exhaust system which has a very perfect sound. When it comes to the exhaust system, it comes with a matte aluminium finished at the rear, and the Ford diffuser looks really amazing. It has a S and RS specific honeycomb finish at the rear. Generally, if you have a coupe SUV, coupe sedan or a sportback, then you might think that you are compromising on the boot capacity of the car. But Audi always surprises the customer by giving a 465 liters of boot capacity, which can be expanded to 1280 liters by flipping down the rear seats of the car. And when it comes to the dedicated spare wheel well, and it is neatly tucked inside, there is no intrusion in the boot area, you can use the complete boot space. And look at the opening of the boot, it is really wide. Being a sports car with 4-door practicality, it also comes with a panoramic sunroof which adds to the style of the car. The sportback design of the exterior, the racing looks of the car, and also the interior looks very sporty. When it comes to the design of the dashboard, the car feels more top-notch quality, and the way that steering wheel is designed, it comes with a flat bottom steering wheel. You get a S-specific dynamic mode for the Audi's virtual cockpit, which is one of the best in industries when it comes to graphics, the resolution of the screen, of this 12.3 screen. Not to forget, Audi has introduced the virtual cockpit into the Indian automobile industry, and when it comes to the freestanding screen 10.1 inch, which has a new age graphics, new age interface, the way the graphics are laid out and the way the screen gives you acoustic feedback when you go into any option. You have a drive select where you can change different multiple driving modes. Being an S5, it has a 3-liter V6 powered engine, so you have a dynamic mode which improves the sound of the car. You get a crackling, popping exhaust of the sound. And when it comes to the interior of the car, as I was talking, this is a 4-door coupe. Being a more practical car, it comes with a 3-zone of climate control. Usually people will not expect this kind of exclusivity and this kind of practicality in the car. It comes with a 3-zone climate control. All the buttons and the feel of the buttons is really high quality. The way the gear knob is designed, it has a perforated feel. The seats are S-specific sport seats with Alcantara, which has an extended under thigh support, and this is one of the best interiors in the sports cars. Being an S5, this virtual cockpit of Audi's digital speedometer gives you multiple driving information. You have a navigation, you have a car information display, you have a call list, Bluetooth connectivity display, and look at the way the speedometer is designed. It gives you all the information right in front of you, and the car can also be specced with a heads-up display, which also give you a navigation view in front, which also changes its graphics depends on the navigation which you are using and the way the screen looks. There's almost no bezel in the screen. It looks like a really bigger screen, and the way the materials are finished, the Quattro badging, which is one of the best 4-wheel drive in the industry. Being a sports car, a high performance car, this also comes with a 4-wheel drive as standard, which also sends the wheels to all 4 wheels, which creates more traction, and it works with the electronic stability control of the car, which gives you more character, which gives you more presence on the road, and it also improves the performance of this car. And look at the design of the interior. The lower part, there is also a 30 color ambient lighting combination where you can choose the ambient lighting depends on your mode. And when it comes to the drive select options, you get all the things on the screen, and this is a customizable screen. The neatly designed frameless mirror, which has a really good presence of this, and the visibility at the rear is also really good. Whatever you touch in this car, this is all about quality. And there's also a S-specific logo inside the car near the gearbox knob and near the steering wheel. You get a really good sporty steering wheel which feels more sporty, and also it has that sports car feel inside the cabin. Let us talk about the heart of the car, which is an engine. This is a supercharged V6 which has a 6-cylinder V6 engine which comes with a power output of 354 bhp and has a peak torque of 500 Newton meter, which goes from 0 to 100 in just 4.8 seconds. It is really amazing to drive, and the way the car handles, perfect blend of sporty character and also the comfort of a sports car. When it comes to the S-specific sport bump suspension, it comes with an adaptive damping control which you can alter it from the multiple drive select modes inside the car. There are multiple drive modes like efficiency. For an highway cruising, you can also put it into an efficiency mode where it also improves the fuel efficiency of the car. There's also a dedicated dynamic mode which gives you a feel of more sporty driving, sporty feel of the car, and the power delivery is also very sporty in the dynamic mode.